Good, happy Friday morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right behind me here. A transformer explosion at Con Ed plant lights up sky in New York City. As you can see in that photo, the whole sky is like blue. A transformer exploded at a power plant in Queens Thursday night, lighting up the sky over New York City, while causing some flight delays and scattered power outages. It happened shortly after 9 p.m. at the Astoria East and North Queens Con Edison plant on 20th Avenue and 32nd Street in Astoria. New Yorkers reported seeing massive blue lights in the city following the explosion and took to social media to share photos and videos. Fire officials said they were fielding numerous calls for reports of explosions in the Long Island City and Astoria areas. The NYPD said a fire caused by the transformer explosion was placed under control. According to Con Ed, the explosion was caused by a transmission dip at its Astoria substation. Mayor Bill de Blasio's office said the blue light was caused by an electric surge at the substation. The power outages affected operation at LaGuardia Airport. There was a total ground stop at the airport for about a half hour before power was restored and flights resumed, with some delays and cancellations. Governor Andrew Cuomo described a major electric failure at the electrical substation along the East River near Rikers Island prison complex and across a small bay from LaGuardia. There are no indications of local air quality issues, but health and environmental officials will continue to monitor the situation, a spokesman for the mayor said. No customer outages have been reported. Con Ed says all power lines serving the area are in service and the system is stable. The NYPD says there have been no injuries. There was no 7-train service between 74th Street Broadway and Flushing Main Street in both directions after a power outage caused by the explosion, but service later resumed with some delays. People flocked to social media to find out what happened and to share their views of the plumes of smoke pouring from the transformer. And here's another look at that photo. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.